Now let's study about the Vedanta philosophy. Vedanta philosophy has been subcategorized on the basis of two main ideas. The first is non dualism or monoism or Advaita, and the second one is dualism or monoism or Dvaita. In non dualism, further we have three branches. The first one is Advaita. Advaita was propounded by Sankaracharya. The second is Visisht Advait or qualified monoism that was propounded by Ramanujacharya. And the third one is Suddha Advait or pure monoism that was propounded by Vallabhacharya. Dualism or non-monoism or Dvait was propounded by Madhvacharya. And the hybrid of this non-dualism and dualism gave birth to a new kind of philosophy which was known as Ved Advaid. Ved means different and Advaid means non-difference. Ved Advaid philosophy was propounded by Nimbarkar. Now let's understand about each of this philosophy in detail. So, there is two factors to understand the difference between Dvait and Advait. The first is universe, that is Atman or individual soul. And the second one is God, Paramatma or universal soul. So what Advait says? Advait ek, when the universal soul become same as individual soul, it is called non-dualism or Advait. While in Dvait, though, where the universe or the individual soul is separate from the God or the universal soul. So there is a difference between 1 and 2, and that is called dualism or Dvait. Now let's talk about each of this in detail. Advait. Advait was propounded by Sankaracharya. What Advait says? Advait says that individual soul, that is Atman, is one and the same as of the ultimate reality, that is Brahman. They categorize this phenomenal world as Maya or some kind of illusion, as a relative reality. The goal of the Advait philosophy is the realization of oneness through knowledge, that is Janana. Atman and Paramatma concept in Advait. They say that the Atma and Paramatma are part of same God. Paramatma, which is a perfect, and Atma, which is imperfect. When one attain moksha, Atma get merged with Paramatma, and there is no difference left between the Atma and the Paramatma. Now let's talk about Visisht Advait. Visisht Advait was propounded by Ramanujacharya. Visisht Advait is also known as qualified monoism. In Visisht Advait, there is a Paramatma and Atma. But when one attains moksha, even though when Atma gets immersed or immersed in the Paramatma, the Atma has some characteristic which will be different for Paramatma. They, even though when they are same, but they will be inseparable. Although Atma characteristic will be there. Now let's talk about Suddha Advait or the pure monoism. In this philosophy, they say that Atma is already a part of Paramatma. The Atma is pure. There is no impurity in the Atma. Impurity lies with the body. Atma is already a part of Paramatma. We do not need a purification process like moksha in order to attain the status of Paramatma. Now let's talk about Dvait. Dvait philosophy was propounded by Madhvacharya. Here, the individual soul Jiva and God, that is Vishnu or Brahmin, are two completely separate and eternally distinct entities. The, for them, the world is real and separated from God. The goal of Dvaita philosophy is to attain a place in God's presence through devotion, bhakti. So, when when someone attains moksha, even though after attaining moksha, Paramatma and Atma are two distinct entities. Now let's talk about Sankaracharya philosophy and the Ramanujacharya philosophy. Sankaracharya gave Advaita philosophy. Sankaracharya says that salvation can be achieved through knowledge. The world, for Sankaracharya, world is an illusion and Brahma is the only reality. Now Ramanujacharya philosophy. Ramanujacharya gave the Vishisht Advaita philosophy, and he says that from bhakti we can attain salvation. Both God, Brahma, and the world universal are equally real. Now let's talk about the mixed of these two, non-dualism and the dualism, that is Ved Advait or the Dvait Advait kind of philosophy. It was propounded by Nimbarkar. In this Ved Advait philosophy, Atma and Paramatma are similar in some aspects and dissimilar in some aspects.